Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Rob and today I'm going to show you guys how to stake your Polygon the proper way. Okay, so a lot of people like to stake their coins on exchanges and that's fine. I do it myself, but I would say that that's not the proper way to stake. Okay, you want to stake your coins with the network. Okay, the reason you want to do this is because one, you usually get a lot higher rewards, and number two, it's safe. Okay, like the exchange could crash, they could be like lending out your money, they could be doing some funny business. But if you stake your coins the pro way, the G'd up way, the way I'm going to show you today, it's safe. Now yes, you could lose your seed phrase, you could like forget your password and lose it and it's gone forever and you can't call up your wallet and be like, hey, I forgot my thing, it's gone. So that's the downside, but this is the proper way to do it. And the reason I'm making this video is because I went on YouTube and there isn't a video that explains how to stake your Polygon from Coinbase. Okay, so I'm a Coinbase user. I have a lot of other exchanges I use. I really like Kraken and stuff, but I buy a lot of coins on Coinbase. And there's this really cool way that you can stake your coins from Coinbase straight to the Polygon network by only using your phone. So you literally, all you need is your phone. The first thing that you want to do, okay, is you want to go into your app store. I use an iPhone, so App Store, and if you're using Android, the appropriate store, and you want to type in Coinbase Wallet, okay? And it should pop up right here. I'm going to click Coinbase Wallet. As you can see, it says Coinbase Wallet, and then below it says Coinbase, like the normal Coinbase. So, like I said before, this video is for people that are using the Coinbase exchange, and if you bought your Polygon or your MATIC, it goes by both, on Coinbase, you can send your MATIC from Coinbase into the Coinbase wallet, and then from the Coinbase wallet you can directly stake it into Polygon. Now they don't have a built-in staking feature in the Coinbase wallet, but there's a way you can do it, and that's what I'm going to show you. Right here, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to re-download it, but if not, you just hit download on the Coinbase wallet. Now once the wallet pops up, we want to open it. Now this Coinbase wallet is like pretty cool. There's a lot of really cool features about it, but the first thing that you want to do is you want to set up your wallet, okay? Now it's pretty straightforward, but I will go through it with you. Okay, so once it pops up, we're going to create a new wallet. So click create new wallet, and then there's just going to be some things that you have to agree to, some terms of service, so agree to that. And then you can pick a username. Now, not every wallet has this feature, but essentially you just put a username. I'm going to put Coyote Rob, and you can make your wallet public or private. Put mine as private or public, but you can do private, doesn't really matter, so hit next. And then you can set up a passcode. I would recommend doing this. I like having a passcode. It's just like extra security just in case somebody gets a hold of my phone or whatever. So pick a passcode. I'm going to block mine out, but just pick a passcode. And then it's going to sign you into the Coinbase wallet. Okay, so I'm going to take a second to explain this. Right now, if you're new to crypto, this is like super important. Backing up your wallet securely is what we're going to do right here, okay? And as you can see right here, it says, I understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I will not be able to access my account, okay? So you don't have to do this right now, but I would do it if I were you, because this gives you more control over your wallet and it makes it more secure. So this is what I would say. This is what a seed phrase is. A seed phrase is a set of words. And you should write this down on a piece of paper. And if you don't have those words, nobody can get into your account. But if you lose those words, your money is gone. You can't just call up customer service. You're not going to be able to figure it out. Like, it's locked out, which is the beauty of crypto. So just make sure that you take your time and you remember your phrase and you write it down somewhere safe, because if you mess this up, you're screwed, okay? So click I understand. Now let's hit back up now. All right, so here it shows my seed phrase. I'm obviously going to blur this out on the YouTube video, but as you can see, it's 12 words, okay? So I'm going to remember that, okay? And I'm going to back it up manually. So once we click that button, it's going to ask us to confirm our seed phrase. So we have to pick the letters in the order that they're shown, or the order that they're given to us. Then back it up, and you should be in your wallet at this time, okay? All right, so we got the first step situated. We set up our wallet. Now, you need to send money from your Coinbase account to your wallet, okay? Now, there's multiple ways to do this, but the easiest way to do it is just like so, okay? So you want to open your wallet back up, and if you go down to the bottom right here where there's this little settings bar, you want to click that, And then right down here, as you can see, it says connect your Coinbase account. You want to hit that. This is like, this happened to me when I was setting this up. I clicked connect my Coinbase account, and then this little thing popped up. I hit connect, and a loading screen popped up for like 5 minutes, and I had to turn my phone off a couple times, and then eventually I kept trying it, and then like the third time, this just popped up, okay? And then this means that it works. So I'm just saying, if you have a little bit of an error, like it doesn't connect automatically, you might just have to do it a few times, but it's gonna connect. Like it worked for me, and like technology always goes haywire with me, so it'll eventually work. And then this should pop up, and then you can hit authorize. So hit authorize, and then boom, it says all done. And that's how you know that your Coinbase wallet is directly connected to your Coinbase account, the exchange where you buy coins. So now you can hit buy or transfer, so hit that. And then we are gonna click MATIC wallet, okay? Because we're staking our MATIC onto the MATIC network from our wallet. So we wanna get our MATIC from Coinbase to our Coinbase wallet. So I'm just gonna test this out. I am just gonna simply send over 2 MATIC tokens because I'm doing an example for this video. All right, so now that it's up right here, you see how it says from my Coinbase balance? So it's, like I said, it's sending the tokens from my Coinbase exchange to my Coinbase wallet. Now look at that network fee. I'm sending over $5 and it's gonna cost me $11 to send it over, okay? That is the crazy Ethereum gas prices, okay? Because the MATIC tokens on the Coinbase exchange are ERC20 tokens, which means they're running on top of the Ethereum network, which is good in our case because if you're gonna be switching your Polygon from your MetaMask to the Polygon wallet online, you're gonna have to do a bridge and transfer it over to Ethereum. This is why if you're natively using Coinbase, this is the best way to do it because the MATIC tokens are already ERC20, they're on Ethereum. So enter your code. This is the Coinbase verification code that you use on the exchange and the wallet to confirm the transaction. All right, transfer initiated. It usually takes up to 3 minutes for the transfer to complete. When I did this, the network was really congested. It was very expensive and it took a little bit longer than 3 minutes. So just be patient. Just, you know, keep refreshing your app. All right, just be patient and then it should pop up. All right, so now my MATIC tokens has popped up. So you see down at the bottom, it says balance, $5 worth of MATIC tokens. So I switched the MATIC from my Coinbase exchange account to my wallet, okay? If you want to, you can go back to your Coinbase exchange account and you can look at the transaction and see that it all matches up, which is the cool thing. It's right there. It says sent MATIC token, so we can see it cost me $16.50 to send over 2 on both sides. You can see in the exchange and the wallet, blah, blah, blah. So now we are back in our Coinbase wallet, okay? And this is where it gets really cool. So as you can see in the middle, right in between the wallet icon and the settings, there's 4 little squares. That is just gonna directly send us to the internet from the wallet, which is super cool. So we can click that little button, okay? And it's gonna send us straight to the internet. So we don't have to use a computer or anything like that to get connected to Polygon. So in the top right here, just type in Polygon, okay? And hit search. Now, this is something I want to cover. Like this first result says Polygon. That's some type of like gaming website or whatever. But if you scroll down a little bit, this is the one that we're looking for, okay? It says Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. And it's https polygon.technology. Polygon is a pretty big cryptocurrency, so it's pretty easy to find this one. But one of the biggest scams out there is people make fake websites and then like you click it and then you hook your wallet up and then you lose all your money. So whenever you're staking your coin directly to the network, like we're staking directly to the Polygon network, make sure that the address is right, okay? And this one, I have the right one right here. It's polygon.technology, okay? So just double check, and if you don't believe me, you can do your own research to make sure that's the correct address for Polygon. So click on that. All right, we're gonna open it up. Now we're on Polygon. And if you see these 3 little, you know, dashes on the top right corner, we wanna click on that. And then right here, we wanna click Use Polygon. A little drop down will pop up. And then we wanna click the Polygon wallet, okay? So click that, it should open up. And then it says, Getting Started with Polygon, the POS chain, okay? And if we scroll down a little bit, there's 3 options. There's the Polygon wallet, there's the Polygon bridge, and Polygon staking. Let's click Polygon staking, okay? So right here, it shows all the information for staking Polygon. It tells you the total stake, the total rewards, all that kind of stuff. And if we scroll down, it's going to show you all of the validators. Now, if you want to stake your Polygon, you're going to have to delegate your coins to a validator, okay? So I'm just going to click the first one. It says MATIC 1. I'm going to click delegate. Now, if I click that, this little thing is going to pop up, and it's going to ask us to connect our wallet to Polygon, okay? And right here, we have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and right there, look at that, Coinbase wallet, okay? Now, the reason that this is cool is because when you buy Polygon on Coinbase, you're buying the Ethereum version of Polygon. There's two versions of Polygon, and a lot of people have the Polygon token that's native to the Polygon network, and they have it through their MetaMask. So what they do is they connect their MetaMask right here, and then they have to bridge over their Polygon to the Ethereum version of Polygon, okay? And there's a bunch of tutorials on how to do that online, but there's nobody that just talks about sending it from Coinbase. And I know a lot of people buy their Polygon on Coinbase. So it's already in the right format. So all you have to do is click this little button and connect your Coinbase wallet, and then you can send all of your Polygon from your Coinbase wallet right here onto the Polygon wallet. So click that Coinbase wallet and let's connect your wallet. So this little thing pops up. We just have to sign it. This gives them permission to connect our wallet to Polygon and send funds over. So just hit sign. You have to put in your passcode to verify this. And then boom, the same page we were just at is going to pop up. It's going to show all the information about staking, but now our wallet's connected. So just scroll down. I'm going to click on the same validator right here, the MATIC 1, and I'm going to click delegate. So now this popped up, okay? And now it is going to ask us how much MATIC we want to stake on this validator node. So I only have $5 worth of MATIC, 2 MATIC, so I'm just going to hit max, okay? And then I'm going to hit continue. Boom. Okay, so this pop-up is happening right now because the miner fees are insane with Ethereum, okay? It is literally going to cost me like $30 to stake 2 MATIC tokens, okay? And you could look up when miner fees are lower, but at the end of the day, if you're going to stake your tokens, it's going to cost money, okay? And in this video, all right, since the fees are so high, I'm just going to hit okay. And see this little pop-up? It says it's requesting more money from my wallet, okay? So like I said, I only have 2 Polygon that I'm going to be staking right now, and it's going to cost me $33. And I already spent $16 getting my MATIC onto my wallet, so I'm not going to be staking any coins. Obviously, in this video, I made it just to show you. But if you're going to stake your coins, all you have to do is hit continue, and then another little pop-up is going to happen where it says delegate, and then you approve it, and then it's completed, okay? And that's all the steps that you need to do. And the reason I didn't stake right now is because I think tomorrow, maybe the next day, I'm going to stake like a lot of MATIC because I have a lot of MATIC. And I know it sucks, okay? It sucks paying these miner fees. But if you were to do it the other way, if you were to buy Polygon in a different format or whatever, and you had it on your MetaMask wallet, you still got to send it over to the Polygon wallet, and then you have to bridge it over to the ERC20 version, which costs money. So whatever way you slice it, you're going to be spending a lot of money on Ethereum fees. And this is why Polygon is kind of awesome, okay? Polygon has been going up like crazy this year, and it's because Ethereum is so expensive, it's almost impossible to use it. And if you guys have heard, Sandbox, the huge metaverse game, is going to start using Polygon. Polygon is way cheaper, way quicker, way faster. So I think that if you're going to be a long-term holder of Polygon, you just got to deal with the fees and then stake your Polygon. And if we take a look here, I'm going to pull up the Polygon's website. This is going to give you all the information about staking, okay? And right now, Polygon is going to pay you about 11% APY, okay? So even though in the beginning you're going to have to spend maybe 50 to 100 bucks to stake all of your Polygon, if you hold it long term, this could make you a lot of money, okay? I have a considerable amount of Polygon. It was one of my biggest gains this year, and I'm going to be staking all of my Polygon for the long term. And since I have all of my Polygon on Coinbase, I'm just going to transfer it from my Coinbase wallet, or sorry, the Coinbase exchange to the Coinbase wallet, and then I'm going to just send it over to Polygon just like I showed you. So if this video helped you guys, send me a comment. I know it was a little bit long because there's a lot of steps, but I couldn't find a single video on YouTube where people show you how to stake your Polygon directly from the Coinbase exchange. And the cool thing is, is you can do it all with your phone. You don't need to go on the computer. A lot of these other methods, you gotta hook up your wallet or you have to connect your wallet like MetaMask to your browser and do a bunch of that stuff. And I know a lot of people are buying Polygon with Coinbase, so you're gonna have to shift it around. So I think the fact that that feature is built in, that you can just go straight to the internet from your Coinbase wallet, is super helpful. So let me know if you guys had any trouble. Let me know if you're hyped about MATIC, because I definitely am, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.